Welcome to Friday, and we couldn't be higher right now because our 400 mega sale went absolutely incredibly on Monday. We saw massive conversions for Motability, 𝗟𝗵𝘃𝗃 and 𝗟𝗶𝘃𝗃. And as we had a representative from all three vendors, we were able to see all parties went home very happy. Now moving on to next week, and just as Motability left the building, we were informed that they were going to send us even more lots for next Monday's sale. So there's no rest for the wicked, and we absolutely love it. Because on Monday we see 250 late and low lots from our mates at Motability in the Red Lane again on Monday morning. Audis, BMs, Mercs, not to mention your more affordable late plates such as Ford, Kia, Nissan, Peugeot, Seat, Vauxhall, you name it, we have it waiting for you online or in the hall here at G3 Castleford. Also, if your budget isn't quite of our elite sale, don't worry about it for a moment, because we've got a further 3 sales for next week. So let's look at Tuesday, as we have another big batch of vehicles, typically 5k to 15k. Our headline vendors in the Tuesday sale are Available Car, Oodle and John Clark Motor Group. So make sure you take a look at our website over the weekend and Monday, as more and more vehicles get added to the sale for you to bid on. And don't forget that straight after that, on Wednesday, it's our WAV and LCV week, as our fortnightly specialist sale takes place at G3 Leeds. We'll have up to 150 vehicles in that sale, which includes Motability WAVs, LCVs from fleet and finance, alongside our motorbikes and non-runners. And the final sale of the week is on Thursday. And Thursday is a fundraising day for our charity partner, the Prince of Wales Hospice. And more specifically, we're raising money for Emma and our accounts team, who will be running the Manchester Half Marathon next weekend for the first time. So we'll need you to dig deep, as we'll be selling cakes and raising money towards her fundraising target for the amazing work that the nurses do at the Prince of Wales Hospice. Next up, and a big warm welcome to 2 new starters, Helen and Tara. Firstly, Helen has joined us as our Buyer Services Assistant and accompanies our Head of Buyer Services, Ian, to bolster up G3's customer service and engagement. Helen has hit the ground running with onboarding and building relationships with the huge influx of new buyer applications we've seen in September. So if you're a buyer at G3, there's no doubt that you'll be speaking to Helen in the future. And Tara joins the G3 team as one of our vendor account managers. And she will be working closely with Jack, Caroline, Leanne, and your friendly neighbourhood auctioneer, Dave, to support those important pre- and post-sale conversations that we have with our key vendor accounts. Both are here to support different sides of the business, but you can see already they're getting on like a house on fire. And talking about getting on like a house on fire, last week, just before Tara joined us, newbie Helen joined us on a staff bowling night out. We had burgers, chips and beer and bowled the night away, which was certainly needed after a few very busy weeks at G3. So that's all we've got time for this week. So thank you very much for watching this episode of Live from the Lanes. You will see me live here at 10 AM. Hopefully I see you live here at 10 AM too. Thanks for watching. See you next time.